Hey, it's me, The Real K, and I am back with another video. And today I am doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge with my sister. She doesn't know that I'm gonna be handcuffing her. She just got out of the shower not too long ago, but she's sleeping already to take her nap. And I'm just gonna handcuff her. I think I'm gonna put it on her right wrist. No, her left wrist. And mine's gonna go on my right, so she can cook and stuff. But I'm being nice to her. But I will see you guys in the next clip. She is over here sleeping right now, as you can see. But yeah, let me show you guys the handcuffs. We got these, the heavy duty ones. We got them from the beauty supply. Sex supply. So I don't know how she's like this. She just moved like this, and her hand is right there for perfect. So I got them right here, and I'm gonna give the keys to my grandma, so we can't. Well, put them somewhere. Here, give her the keys so she has them. Okay. I look a mess, but I don't care.
You would say that you're wearing the logo.
It's on me.
How about now?
Let's put it on her now. I'm gonna put you guys over here, just so you can see.
Crafted using our unique root pure process.
You ready?
White Claw hard seltzer. Nothing tastes quite like it.
We're handcuffed. Right? We gotta take these off. Take it off. 24 hours. And it starts. No. And it starts.
I told you I wasn't doing this.
Now.
No, it don't.
12:09.
No, it don't. Take it off.
Take it off. 12:09. We're stuck
Alright, well,
together.
you're coming to sleep with me.
Yep. But I do think I gotta pee.
No, well, I'm sleeping, so.
I don't know what she thinks. And my
Get a
drink's
cup.
over there.
Yeah, we got a cup on the floor and some tissue.
Sorry, girl.
You're following me, Buster. Buster-oo. Come on, Buster. Can y'all get that lunch box that's up?
Oh, where? Oh. Got sis over here.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
This is for 24 hours, mind you. I got my pajamas on under these in case we can't get dressed. So,
I know.
we were just saying that in the bathroom.
Jill!
Say hey to our vlog, or our challenge, I meant.
Come take this garbage out, please.
Why does something that went in between my toes and the garbage bag?
I know, I needed y'all to clean, so how are y'all gonna clean like this?
Oh no. Clean.
Yeah, I was gonna give you were supposed to clean the stove.
Yeah, I know.
So I was gonna give you guys maybe 10 each to do some stuff. Cause I'm sick of cleaning.
Kaylee's standing next to me when I clean the stove. You gotta wash the dishes with me. Yep, and I gotta cook dinner with you.
Wow! Wow!
And
Sister
sleep.
bonding!
And we gotta sleep and everything. So the next day.
And they gotta wipe each other's asses and cooties.
I already wiped my ass once. But as you guys can see, we're just.
What about this being on YouTube?
No, you can't.
We're gonna edit the ganj out.
Baseball practice, and we're just gonna do us, right? Yeah. We're doing right now. Ow, my wrist are hurting.
Sorry.
And we only been doing this for like 20
I don't know
minutes.
if we could do this.
Look at my wrist already. I don't know about this.
We already loosened. Alright, I gotta, don't want to look too retarded. Those are my gym shoes, y'all. These ain't my real shoes. I got the horses in the back. Ow, wait. Yep, they gotta climb over the seats.
Yeah, my cousin's baseball practice. So I never did anything like in public before.
I know.
And everyone's looking at us. And we still got through lunch.
Broke out of jail.
Yeah. So we're just gonna.
You got your man?
Look, please stop staring. Everyone's doing it. We're rocking. So this is like so fucking awkward. I never did nothing like this. People won't know how to react to it.
Just hold hands. Just hold hands.
No, we already are locked together.
Yeah, but
Here's the way I look. I know. It's been rough. So what do you have to say?
I think that girl's got
Say hey.
are they gonna dance now?
no.
Jew. Jew.
What?
Say hey.
Hey.
Oh, I don't know about this. It's so cold. Like, we're freezing.
Feels like Antarctica.
Okay. Alaska.
Iceland. Isn't it
Can you
Iceland? No,
hold
that's.
this?
What's the other one? Iceland.
Finland?
Landland or something?
No.
What's the other one? I don't know.
Still got them on.
People are looking at all this. They were. Well, but kind of just
I
like
just pumped
whatever.
her nose.
Kind of just don't really care that much. We live in a boring state, Michigan.
Yeah, and I got a
Ain't
foot
nothing.
here.
Nobody really cares too much about any of that. We see crazy stuff all day. This is like police. People probably just think we got stuck together or something. We gotta like, where would we even go if we couldn't get these off?
I don't know where we would go, honestly.
To the police department. Take them off.
But after my cousin gets done like practicing and stuff,
Sorry, my eyes are squint. Like my eyes are really sensitive to it.
same.
I look
But-
like mad probably the whole time.
When my cousin's in practice, we're gonna walk around, and this whole park is 4 miles if you walk the whole thing. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Everyone is like literally looking at us. But
We locked together. We can't do nothing
Right.
about it.
How you in the bathroom?
we go
Go
together.
Wanna sit down?
Yep, might as well sit on her lap.
We're doing this for you guys, literally.
So if you guys don't watch, we ain't doing nothing.
So make sure you like right now and subscribe.
And comment what you want us to do next.
Yes.
We were gonna do the
They'll
live
do
one.
just about anything.
Yeah, when we go out of state, we're doing the diaper challenge.
Wait, when we go to Florida? Or Cedar Point?
We should do it when we go to Cedar Point.
Oh no.
Walk around on the house. Where we staying? Walk around.
These guys are in the same league.
Or the coach pitches for them.
We're just
That's just when you're right.
sitting here.
Cities are pretty. I just pulled something
When
We got so many hours
Put
left.
that in your.
Well, we are going to sleep, so hopefully we don't sleep crazy.
Bring your
But I listen to us. People are staying and listening. For real. I'm about to start following people. They really think we're crazy or something.
We're not crazy. We're just doing this challenge for you guys.
Just comment below where you guys are watching from. Nice show.
I'm from
Yeah.
Okay.
Comment down below where you're from.
I've got nothing else to comment.
My wrist. What's your wrist look like?
Oh, my wrist.
Yeah.
You know. Will you guys do me a favor?
What?
Will you go to the truck and get his inhaler?
My wrist.
Come on, get off the cars. I got my workout shoes.
So my aunt wants us to go to the truck and get the inhaler for my cousin. We're just gonna, when I feel like I'm just recording myself, so I really don't care. This guy was like, what the hell?
I'm always telling them to relax together for life. I'm like this since I was 2.
Dang, look at. This is gonna be like all over the place.
I mean,
But
I don't know.
I don't want to put anybody in this one that don't want to be in here. Because, man, who cares? What, sis?
Who cares?
Period.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hold it for 10 seconds.
Yeah, look at my little cousin in the purple.
This little girl home. That damn dog is gonna drag her ass. Down this.
He's getting a little slow.
That dog is about to get the field.
Oh my god.
The field. What? He ready. He ready to go play.
Oh my god.
Big horse. That horse.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah, Jill!
Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna vlog when we go on our walk.
Dang,
We're
you
just
might not
sitting
even
here
have
for
a long
now,
practice if
so.
it's just them. What the?
But we might not even have a practice because there's only 4 kids.
Like 30 minutes.
Okay, well, 30-minute
Where's
practice.
Justin?
That's it.
Tiana, holy shit.
Oh my god.
What the hell am I doing?
I really don't care.
I don't really care too much. Look at me if you are. I broke out of jail.
Oh my god. Auntie in the back.
TT.
I'm like squinting because it's like bright out
You need
here,
some
but it's
shade.
cloudy.
It's like the UV
Bend
rays.
them, Jill.
Get him, Jill.
But yeah,
Supportive.
we're going on our walk. It's 4 miles around this whole thing.
I don't want to get my shoes dirty.
So, this is all we're doing.
Maybe when we get rich, I'll show y'all my closet. We gonna all have all the shoes.
I'm good. Look at this bird.
You can go anywhere in the world. Where would you go?
Where would I go?
Like exotic ass place. Like I want to see like pigs in the water. You know them pigs that be up in the water, like them hogs.
Yeah.
That's how you know you in like exotic places. I
don't know where I would go, honestly. She's all the way back there.
She has little legs.
Ready? 3, 2.
You know why I want him to come every practice and not miss no games?
What?
This makes my nose run.
walking.
So I changed my hair because I really don't
I
care
got a
no more.
Charlie horse.
Oh my god. It's just like, whatever. So, yeah. I'm probably gonna stop recording because we're just walking. And we're gonna be walking for a minute. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. So these boys are looking at us, right? I don't know where they're. Oh, there. They're looking at us. Like, what?
They want
just
someone
put
to
it
talk to
away.
us. I could tell them I broke out of jail.
Yeah, my sister's gonna tell someone we broke out of jail. So,
Broke out of jail. Why should I call the police on this?
yep. Sisters for life. We just helped the baby bird.
Yeah.
We just helped the baby bird
It was
find its mom.
everything.
Should have recorded it, but phone's about to die.
Yeah, the phone
And we were about to like take off. I was about to take off my shoes and go in the mud, but no, don't think to pull out my phone
the
at them
phone's about to
times.
die, so I'll record when we get back to the house. So bye.
People are gonna be like, I don't want to be in the video.
It's like,
Locked. Okay, we are cooking now, and I'm just standing here, and my wrist hurts, and I look a mess. I don't care. I've been laying
wrist is hurting really bad. It's gonna start bleeding.
Yeah. Cooking. Shredding this chicken. Real fine. Making some good pot pie soup.
We're gonna start our food truck, me and my aunt. Soup gods on the way.
I'm gonna be here. Just shredding the chicken, if y'all were wondering.
Okay, what seasoning you want me to put up in it?
Oh, y'all can't know our seasonings. Okay, so we are about to go to sleep now. We are so tired. Ow.
Our wrists are like done for.
Yeah. Done. But we are probably about to go to sleep now. Well, we are about to go to sleep now. And
It's so cold.
so I will see you guys when I wake up. And tomorrow, we take them off around like 12:09, I think. So that's what we'll be doing.
Snuggles tonight.
No.
Yeah.
But we are, but we're handcuffed. But okay, see you guys in the morning. Bye. Okay, so we just woke up. We just woke up and we cannot sleep with these things on. Literally. Our wrists are hurting, and I don't think we're gonna do it for the next 2 hours. Right?
We're not. Take them off now.
Yep, we're taking them off. I'm free! Okay, but if you guys like this video,
Let us know what you want to do next.
yes. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and you will get notified. So, bye.